start installing Ipe pavers at your doorway threshold. Your threshold sets the height for the entire patio. Add the round gap spacer and a shim to every pedestal. Twist them to adjust the height. Press each tile tight up against the gap spacers. Use a level after you install each tile to make sure it remains level. Use a level in both directions. Twist the wing nut on the pedestal to make minor adjustments. Continue installing the pavers down the row. Ipe clips should be used on taller pedestals to tighten everything together. Be sure to level the pavers before you install the Ipe clip. It's easiest to install the clips after you have 2 pavers on a pedestal. Slide the next paver onto the Ipe clip. Now we're going to show you how to cut perimeter tiles. Just remove the batten board from the end you need to cut. Mark out where you want to make your cut. Use an 80-tooth carbide tipped blade to cut the Ipe pavers. Then replace the batten board on the back of the new cut edge. Be sure to pre-drill the holes in the Ipe before you replace the screws. Batten board is facing the wrong direction at the perimeter. You may need to put an extra piece at the edge to support the pedestal. Be sure to use Ipe sealer on every cut edge. Apply with a rag along the cut edge. Be careful not to get any of the sealant on the top surface of the paver as it will show. Wipe off any excess sealant. If you'd like your Ipe patio to maintain its rich brown color, ask us about our Ipe seal. We hope you get a lifetime of enjoyment out of your new Skydeck Ipe patio.